2018 Kia Sedona. 2018 Kia Sedona Review. A well-equipped cabin and affordable price help give the Sedona a competitive edge from the minivan segment. 3.5-star overall score. Considering that a lot of minivan manufacturers have spent decades perfecting their spacious people movers, the Dodge Grand Caravan traces its roots time for the mid-1980s. As an illustration, the Kia Sedona is actually the new kid on the market. But since its debut in 2002, the Sedona is growing from becoming an inexpensive also-ran into a high-tech cruiser capable of taking the struggle to the establishment. It's still just about the most affordable vehicles within the class. However, its roomy interior, high-quality cabin materials and flexible seating arrangements deliver a good amount of appeal beyond just value. The 2018 Kia Sedona does each of the standard minivan stuff well. It can transport 7 or 8 passengers effortlessly on account of its strong V6 engine, along with the deep cargo well accepts a lot of luggage, so it is perfect for children road trip. There are several surprises here, too. On the SX Limited model, the second-row captain's chairs offer deployable thigh rests and airline-style headrests with folding wings. The seats are very comfortable. You may be counting down the changing times until the oldest will get a learner's permit. There are a couple of disappointments, chief which often is the V6's uncompetitive fuel economy scores. The Sedona SX Limited earns a complete 6 miles per gallon less than the revolutionary Honda Odyssey from the EPA's highway test. One example is. In addition, the second-row seats aren't removable, so that you can't turn the Sedona in a cargo van immediately as you can together with the Chrysler Pacifica. On the whole, though, the Sedona is really a solid entry on this segment, whether you think about it the budget-friendly replacement for mainstream minivans or perhaps executive 7-seater having a first-class middle row. What's new? The Kia Sedona is unchanged for 2018. For most Sedona pers, we believe the mid-range X could be the one to get. It comes having a ton of features in an agreeable price. They add a power liftgate, tri-zone climate control, leather upholstery and upgraded shock absorbers for just a more comfortable ride. If safety is often a top priority, seek out an X with all the advanced premium technology package. It adds the most up-to-date in-driver safety aids including blind spot monitoring and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Kia Sedona is often a 7 or 8 passenger minivan purchased from 5 trim levels. The base L model is incredibly reasonably priced, using a light features list including a rear view camera as well as a USB input for that audio system. The LX doesn't cost a lot more, and its particular power sliding doors as well as other features are worth the modest price bump. The X is a bit more, but we look for its power tailgate, 7-inch touchscreen and leather upholstery to become irresistible. The SX doubles on the luxury, safety and tech features, and many more are added after you select the range-topping SX Limited. Like every Sedona, the Campbell model is powered by way of a 3.3-litre V6 engine, 276 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, that sends power on the front wheels by way of a 6-speed automatic transmission. Standard feature highlights include 17-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, a tilt and telescoping leader, a height-adjustable driver's seat, slide-and stow forward collapsing second-row captain's chairs, reducing seating chance to 7, stain-resistant cloth upholstery, a 60/40 split reclining and folding third-row bench seat, dual-zone climate control, with front and back controls, Bluetooth, a 5-inch touchscreen, a rear-view camera, along with a 4-speaker sound system that has a CD player plus a USB port. The LX trim adds power folding mirrors, power sliding doors, rear privacy glass, a second-row bench seat, increasing passenger capability 8, an 8-way power driver seat, with 2-way power lumbar, and also a 6-speaker sound system. The X hits what we think will be the sweet spot with the Sedona lineup. This trim adds 18-inch wheels, fog lights, LED daytime running lights, a windshield wiper deicer, heated mirrors, roof rails, a height-adjustable power tailgate, back and front parking sensors, upgraded shock absorbers, keyless ignition and entry, our leather-wrapped controls and shift knob, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, tri-zone automatic climate control, a person information display, leather upholstery, heated front seats, sunshades with the second and third rows, a cooled glove box, a transportable flashlight, a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, UVO 3E services, emergency telematics and other USB charge ports. The SX trim reverts time for the 7-passenger configuration with second-row captain's chairs, the bench is accessible as an option, and adds LED taillights, driver seat memory functions, 4-way lumbar adjustment to the driver, an 8-way power front passenger seat, ventilated front seats, heated second-row seats, an 8-inch touchscreen, a navigation system along with an 8-speaker Infinity Premium head unit. A blind spot monitoring system with rear cross-traffic alert is additionally included. The range-topping 8-passenger SX Limited trim adds 19-inch wheels, adaptive xenon headlights with automatic high-beam control, upgraded fog lights, a sound-reducing windshield, chrome door handles, adaptive cruise control, a heated steering wheel and also a household-style power outlet. Even more advanced security measures come while using SX Limited, including forward collision warning and mitigation, with automatic emergency braking, a lane departure warning system along with a surround view camera system. Many features around the higher trims can be found as options around the lower trims. A dual-panel sunroof, first-class, lounge-style seating with the second row, without slide-edge toe, and premium leather upholstery can be obtained solely within the SX Limited trim through Prestige package. A rear seat entertainment strategy is offered on all models. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S with this review provide our full test from the 2015 Kia Sedona SX Limited minivan, 3.3 liters V6, 6-speed automatic, FWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the latest Sedona has gotten some revisions, including a few more standard and optional features, plus the addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto this past year. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's Sedona driving. The Sedona carries a relaxed, easy-to-drive character, but it really'll leave with authority whenever you need it to and demonstrates good handling manners. It's a minivan we can easily happily accept every day. Acceleration. Floor the gas and also the Sedona accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 7.9 seconds. It's a competitive time, however the Honda Odyssey plus the Chrysler Pacifica are quicker still. Braking. The Sedona features a moderately firm brake pedal that's responsive and intuitive feeling for just a minivan. Brake performance will be as good as or a lot better than in rivals. Steering. There's almost no steering feel or effort for your driver, which mustn't be a big deal for almost all drivers. A little more of both hands, a more connected feeling, though. Handling. Handling just isn't as composed as within the class-leading Honda Odyssey, even so the Sedona does little to upset the standard minivan driver. It's big and you should feel those attributes if you attempt to hustle it, but it is competent in normal use. Drivability. Other compared to overly light steering, the Sedona is quite easy to drive. The 6-speed automatic transmission shifts slowly but smoothly, plus the minivan is all too easy to maneuver in tight parking lots. Comfort. The Sedona is enough comfortable for the long excursion packed with people and cargo. SX models reap the benefits of reclining second-row seats. These captain's chairs represent some with the most comfortable within the class. Seat comfort. The front seats are relatively soft and also have enough support to help keep you comfortable during multi-hour stretches in the driver's seat. The second-row recliners give a surprising number of legroom, and third-row comfort is related to what competitors offer. Ride comfort. Soft suspension elements and tuning appeal to those seeking an isolated driving experience. At higher speeds, the ride quality will get a little busy over rough pavement. Bigger bumps could be intrusive also. Noise and vibration. The Sedona is one from the quietest minivans should it be at idle, under full throttle acceleration or cruising on the highway at 70 miles per hour. Unlike some competing V6s, the Sedona's engine is smooth and well silenced. Interior. The Sedona's top trim SX Limited model has one with the nicest interiors within the segment. It's a well-organized and easy-to-use design typical with the brand, that has a fixed center console that may be unique among minivans. Ease beneficial. The dashboard has large, easy-to-watch buttons organized inside a horizontal arrangement. It's simple and intuitive. The larger touchscreen navigation and infotainment screens are also all too easy to use, so we like the dedicated physical knobs for critical functions. Getting in, getting out. Like all minivans, the Sedona can be quite easy to get into and away from. The standard second row seats present you with a collapse function which helps with third row access. Power sliding doors are standard about the LX trim and roominess. The Sedona's third row will accommodate adults, though they don't be so comfortable on long hauls. The legroom together with the reclining second row seats is better than inside the Toyota Sienna, but overall space is marginally under the competition. Visibility. Overall outward visibility is good as a result of large windows and relatively thin windshield pillars. A backup camera is standard on all trims, along with the SX Limited surround view camera takes much on the guesswork outside of parking in tight spots. Quality. Overall quality can be as good as or greater than the competition. Sturdy construction inhibits squeaks and creaks inside. The interior materials will also be praiseworthy, featuring well-grained plastics, supple leather and attractive stitching. Utility. The Sedona falls a little short with regards to cargo capacity and versatility, but a majority of owners will still realize it's plenty capable. If the second row seats were removable, this score may likely improve. Small item storage. The fixed center console could possibly be attractive, but it really doesn't provide the storage space within rivals. Other bins and pockets are around the small side likewise. Cargo space. Maximum cargo space is 142 cubic feet, slightly less room than what competition offers. The lack of removable second row seats in every trim level further hurts usability. Child safety seat accommodation. With the sliding second row captain's chairs, installing a kid safety seat is remarkably easy. There is a good amount of room for rear-facing configurations, plus the latch anchors can be located and accessed. The same holds true with the third row seats. Long-term road test. To find out more about the Kia Sedona in this generation, watch our updates from the whole year of living having a 2015 Kia Sedona. We cover from seat comfort to real-world fuel economy. Please note how the 2018 Kia Sedona differs from our long-term Sedona because Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality were added 2017, and features are actually slightly shuffled in the past. It's the same generation, though, so the vast majority of our observations still apply.